I have to go, I'm gonna hit the road and trust that you will lead me back home.
Nagkakilala kami sa Qatar sa church. Alam mo yun, parang God's perfect plan na yung dating ko doon ay hindi in time na na-ordain siya as a worship minister. Surprisingly, kapag nga binabalikan namin yun, parang tinadhana ba talaga ng Lord yan na sabay pa tayong na-ordain, tayong dalawa lang, walang ibang kasama. Yun na ba talaga yung way ng Lord na tayo talaga sa isa't isa?
First time naming nag-meet is Thursday during rehearsal ng worship team. And it was also the day na i-ordain ako as official member ng worship team and siya rin as musician sa worship team. Naging friends kami doon.
Yun yung sinasabi namin, yes, 1 year pa lang kami. Pero alam mo yun, yung hindi talaga sa tagal yun eh. Sa kung paano talaga kayo minold ng Lord. Hindi siya parang 1 year and 2 months. It's like parang naka 5 years in relationship na kami. Talagang hinulma kami ng Lord together.
Kapag naaalala ko yung moment na yon, kung paano kami nag-start, parang mas nabubuhay yung love ko sa kanya. Yan lang yung nilulook back ko every time na parang nagda-doubt ako sa sarili ko or sa feelings ko. Pero ngayon, 100% na. Sure na. It's an answered prayer.
I feel it deep within my soul. Let's go build a garden, plant some fruits and vegetables, harvest everything.
Sobrang organized, one of the most financial literate person na kilala. And that's also what I really admire sa kung paano siya talaga namulat sa mundo. Si Shine ayaw niya nang nagsesettle for wala. Alam mo yun, kailangan pinaghahandaan lahat ng bagay. And sobrang stricto.
Siya ay gentle, hindi marunong magalit. Siya ay maalaga, malambing. Pa-baby. Bebe boy. And isa pang nagustuhan ko sa kanya yung kung gaano niya ka-love si Lord. Very God-fearing and visionary.
I think we could use a breath of fresh air. Fresh air. Oh, fresh air.
Meron tayong mga dark past. Kailangan yung dark past na yun para magkaroon ng magandang story ang Lord na from darkness into light, and yung from lonely person into a married couple. Kaya yun, napakagaling talaga ng Lord.
Maraming dahilan, pero ang pinakadahilan kung bakit siya, dahil mahal ko siya. Sapat na yung love na dahilan kung bakit siya.
Thought I'd seen it all till I saw you.
Love! Eto na to. Alam ko, this is siguro not what you are thinking na makaya kong ibigay sa'yo, but kaya natin to. I love you so much. Sobra.
Hi, love. Ito na yon. Naiiyak ako. Ito na yon, yung ilang buwan nating pinagpapagulan, pinagpupuyatan at pinag-aawayan. Finally, magiging misis mo na ako. Alam ko mas excited ka pa kaysa sa akin. We're both excited. Pero mas excited ka pa, I know. Ayan, let's just enjoy this day. Yeah. I love you. See you later.
I can't feel my hands on the wheel. I don't know if I'm dying, but I think that this must be how it feels. It's deep in my heart like a poison. It's breaking me down to the bone. I don't know.
Marriage is a covenant to protect the dignity of his product. Kaya hindi nawawala yung kasal. Hanggang ang Diyos ay buhay at may tao, tuloy ang kasal. Marriage is a irreplaceable commitment. Hindi mo pwedeng palitan yan. Siya na talaga yan. Yan ang binigay sa'yo ng Diyos. Siya yung iyong mamahalin.
I need you like, I need you like water. The man in the desert. I need you like a child needs a father. You hold me together like a stitch in my skin. It's almost a fix till I bleed again. Ooh, it must be a sin. You're pulling me into your arms again. I've never felt so much of nothing. I guess that's the price that you pay. God, I miss feeling more than a heartbeat, but you take all that away.
And today, I promise to be the man you never had before me. I may be sometimes stubborn, but I promise to be still, diligently and consistently vow to you to be the best man, father, your ex-boyfriend, husband to you, and our family that we will create.
Our love story started in brokenness, but you've been my light. You helped me break free from past mistakes, showing me true freedom and love. With you, I found hope for the future. Romans 8:28 says, God works for our good, and our journey proves it.
So scared of the dark.
I promise to be your encourager and strength when the life seems too hard, a shoulder to cry on when life seems unfair, and a comforter when you feel helpless. You may cry, but because of God's grace and abundance with us, but never because of insecurity from other party.
I promise to stand by you through everything. Together, we'll face challenges with courage and faith. I vow to be not just your lifetime partner, but also your ministry partner. I'll be your partner in joy and sorrow, lifting you up when you're down, and celebrating every victory with you.
Let me hear that melody buzzing underneath the surface. Honey, don't think twice, 'cause it's gonna be worth it. It might break your heart, but you won't know till you try. Oh, 'cause birds were made to.
I will give you the life that you always wanted, and I want you to trust and support me with all of your ways without hesitation. And lastly, I will be the provider who will love you in your ups and your downs, good or your bad, celebration or defeat. I will love you always and always be with you. I love you, mahal, my sunshine, my Romans 8:28, and you are the best that ever happened to me. I love you.
Choosing Independence Day for our vows feels so right. It's a symbol of freedom we've found together, with God's love guiding us. We can overcome anything. Our love story is a testament to His grace, and I'm honored to walk hand in hand with you for the rest of our lives. I love you, mahal. Forever and always, your Shaning.
It's been a while since I remember The wild wind upon my skin, running through that field together, the future at our fingertips. This home is frozen, but the world outside is wide open. I feel my cold heart caving in. I see the daylight breaking through. We'll make it.
Let love and faithfulness never give you. Bind them around your neck and write them the tablet of your heart. So then you will be good people in the sight of God and in the sight of man. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean at your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him and He shall direct your path. Sa maharap ng tao, sa maharap ng Diyos, kayo RJ and Sunshine ay isa ng ganap na mag-asawa. You may kiss the bride.
This home